It's coming from the deep, dark recesses of the mind of Mel Brooks. I love him. Young Frankenstein.
You hear me? Give my creation life!
Sky means business.
Young Frankenstein.
Oh dear, nothing left. What shall we throw in now?
Starring Gene Wilder as Dr. Frankenstein.
That's Frankenstein.
But what about your grandfather's work, sir?
My grandfather's work was doo-doo!
Peter Boyle as the monster.
Wow!
Marty Feldman as Igor.
My grandfather used to work for your grandfather.
I'm sure we'll get along splendidly. Oh, sorry.
Cloris Leachman as Frau Blucher.
You played that music in the middle of the night?
Yes!
To get us into the laboratory.
Yes!
And it was you who left my grandfather's book out for me to find.
Yes!
So that I would...
Yes!
Then you and Victor were...
Say it. He was my boyfriend!
Cary Garr as Inga.
Would you like to have a roll in the hay? Roll in the hay.
Kenneth Mars as the inspector. And Madeline Kahn as Elizabeth.
Where am I?
Calm down. What are you going to do to me? I'm not afraid of you. Listen, I have to be back by 11:30. I'm expecting a very important call.
Kill the monster! Storm the castle!
See Mel Brooks' Young Frankenstein.
Yes, I think we could all use a good laugh.
But don't see it alone. Don't miss Young Frankenstein, personally directed by Mel Blazing Saddles Brooks, in black and white. No offense.
Wrong! Okay, just watch me. It's so simple, you sissy Marys. Give me the playback and watch me fang it.
Throw out your hands, stick out your tush, hands on your hips, give 'em a push. You'll be surprised you're doing the French mistake. Voila!
Shit. Have you got it?
Yes.
Sounds like steam escaping. Action! Okay. Oh, wait till I get out. Wait till I get out. Okay. Playback!
Throw out your hands, stick out your tush, hands on your hips, give 'em a push. You'll be
In the hell do you think you're doing here? This is a closed set.
Piss on you. I'm working for Mel Brooks.
Not in the face. Thank you.
That's it, buddy. Come on, girls.
You bugger shit!
Why, you miserable... Hey!
parked over by the commissary.
You brute, you brute, you brute, you vicious brute!
All right, all right.
Hello, boys. We'll start in a minute. And you're going to witness a piece of drama that will break the heart from a stone and break the records of the box office. And I'm sure after you witness this piece of art, you will agree with my new slogan. If it ain't a Ginsberg, it ain't a Tucky.
All right, keep your shirt on.
At last, my proud beauty, you're in my clutches. You thought you'd fool me, eh? Well, if you refuse my hot, burning, scorching love, you'll find your lover's body torn limb from limb.
Your old grandpappy done come from the cotton field. What you all doing, da, you pickaninny?
Applegate, I know just what's happened. Don't leave these spies for a second. I'll be right back.
All right.
Open the door. Open the door. Stop this picture.
Whoa, Nellie!
My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea.
Oh, there he is. Ask him. He'll tell you. Say, do you know who this fella is? All right, I'll fight. Who is he? Napoleon? So you're the boss, are you?
Oh, adorable one. My beautiful angel, I'd love you on and on. I'd love you on my honor, on my life, on my soul.
Yes, sweetheart. What a beautiful summer's night this is. Just a night for romance and love.
I knew the minute I laid eyes on you, you were about you, Vicky.
This is the staircase of the palace.
Oh, yes. Yes. Down below, they're waiting for the princess. I'm ready.
All right. Cameras. Action!
So they were turning after all. Those cameras. Life, which can be strangely merciful, had taken pity on Norma Desmond. The dream she had clung to so desperately had enfolded her.
I can't go on with the scene. I'm too happy. Mr. DeMille, do you mind if I say a few words? Thank you. I just want to tell you all how happy I am to be back in the studio, making a picture again. You don't know how much I've missed all of you. And I promise you I'll never desert you again. Because after Salome, we'll make another picture and another picture. You see, this is my life. It always will be. There's nothing else. Just us. And the cameras. And those wonderful people out there in the dark. All right, Mr. DeMille, I'm ready for my close-up.
I'm a strange colored man in a white South town. How long you think before they pick me up?
Get off my back. I ain't married to you. Now, what do I care? Come on.
You married to me, all right, Joker. And here's the ring. But I ain't going south on no honeymoon now. We going north.
Canvas. Hands aloft, please.
You're the prisoners of Captain Vallow and his scurvy crew.
Burt Lancaster, in a portrayal that surpasses the spectacular action and thrills of his role in The Flame and the Arrow.
There he is. There's the stallion. That's War Wind.
Beautiful.
That's my daughter riding him, Leslie.
Where does love begin and where does friendship end? You give me what you call a peck and say it's just affection. Where does love begin and where does friendship end? Why is it every time you neck I find I need protection?
There are some things we daren't, that's what you always say. You treat me just like a parent, but those kisses of fathers don't give me the bother. So will you please define that thrill dividing line? And if that line won't break, I'll make it bend.
Oh, where does love begin and where does friendship